If you can't get your drop saw to do what you want it to, let me show you how. So one issue guys have with their drop saw is that they start the cut off straight away and then pull the blade out to cut wider stock. Now the idea is that as the blade is spinning, it's going to dig in and push out. If you start from the inside and pull, then the blade's going to want to grip, it's going to want to slide out, and it's going to ruin your cut. So the idea is that you pull it out all the way, you drop it down, and then you push it in. That's going to require the blade to push the timber back into the fence. It's going to keep your hands safe, it's going to keep your timber much cleaner. With narrower stock, it probably isn't as big an issue, but especially when you're cutting wide stuff like lintels, you're going to want to utilise the entire depth that you've got on your drop saw. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the wrong way. And this is the right way to do it. Much safer, much cleaner, and there's no kickback. The second issue guys have with compound miter saws is that they never push down in the direction that the blade is cutting. They always push down laterally. Now the idea is that when you tilt it to say 30 degrees, you want to be pushing it in a 30-degree angle. You don't want to be pushing it straight down to the earth because obviously that's not where the blade's going, so it's just going to rub on your timber. This is the wrong way to do it. And this is the right way to do it. So this is set to 30 degrees. I'm making a 30-degree cut, so I'm pushing on a 30-degree angle. So I'm trying to go from here to here, as opposed to here to here. Because if you're pushing down laterally, it's going to warp the blade and you're not going to get a clean cut. So you probably knew that, but it's always good to have clarification. I'm Jake, and thanks for watching.